Hello YouTube. Today what I am going to show you is, I just want to say to NoPlay a very big thank you. I hope to make more videos, so if you want to follow me, the link will be down below to the Frankenstein monster, which is me obviously. Yeah. This is my Stormtrooper light. So what I'm gonna do is I'll turn up the light. Yeah. Ooh. 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 Ah. Ooh. This is my Stormtrooper light, by the way. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is climb back up. Right. So that's me, Stormtrooper light. I know what you're thinking. Why am I doing that? But there's something else I'm going to show you. So I know I've done this before. So yeah, I know you've seen the Lourdes review once, but I'm gonna give you a little refresh of what I got. So I have a Scotland hat. This is from Glasgow. So yeah, Glasgow. CFM, that's what I got in my bag from when I went. And I've got my, I'm not even sure how to describe it, but it's sort of like, it's a blue bracelet. I'll just call it that. And I have my holy bracelet. So yeah, if you can see, so the back is like ginger, I think it's like fur, I'm not too sure, so yeah. What is my hair doing? So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I've got something else to show you, and after I think I'll wrap it up. Well, once I wrap it up, I'll just say I'll end the video, which is a bummer, I know guys, but sadly it has to be done. It can't be on forever. So yeah, what else have I got? I've got this. My DS. Siggy.
Yeah, I'm the hunter as a boy and girl. Such beautiful, beautiful world. I'm more so great fun. Beautiful, beautiful world. World, free. Just heard me, old boy and girl. Such beautiful, beautiful world. left hand side. Pass the dirty on the left hand side. Pass the dirty on the left hand side. Pass the dirty on the left hand side. Not stop until your bird sings off. A pint of Guinness. Oh. My name's Marcus. My name is Marcus. Oh. Ah! Ew, that is so gross. Ew. Ew. Okay.
So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for today. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, please subscribe. I know it was quite long, yeah, nearly about 10 minutes. So if you want to, if you go over to my channel and you can give it a big thumbs up, you can subscribe to it, follow me on YouTube, and bye!